Everybody, this is Rahul here in Bharuch, Industrial District of Gujarat. And friends, we are at Om Goshala and Farms, wherein you can see a lot of mangoes here. You know, mangoes wrapped in bags, and mangoes which are not wrapped in bags, of course. But I'll first tell you about the mangoes. Why are they wrapped in these bags? They are wrapped in these bags because particularly for the ripening purpose, without any use of chemicals. Here I am trying to open this bag, and as you can see, I have just opened it, and here we
And
can
see the color difference.
yeah, we can see the color difference between the two mangoes. See, just see.
If it is not
Yeah.
wrapped and if it is wrapped.
Exactly. This one is not wrapped, and you can see the color. You know, it's greener, and this one was wrapped, and you can see it is a yellowish color. And if we would have not removed this bag, it would have ripened in how many days exactly?
45 days.
42 to 45 days, they say it will get ripened. And there are no chemical usages. There's a specific kind of bacteria which is used in the soil to grow these mangoes. And
And this is made using chach.
and this is
Gopura Amrutam.
this is one another fact, that this is made by use of chach and amrutam, which is called here
From the Gosala,
from the Goshala itself, which is just nearby to this farm, and
which is part of the farm.
which is part of the farm. And what is the variety which is this? What is it
Kesar.
called?
Kesar.
Golden Kesar बोलते हैं.
So it is called golden kesar, and saffron, you can say exactly.
Ah.
Saffron.
And Rahul is from Kashmir, so he can know the difference between saffron and mango.
Absolutely. Being myself being Kashmiri, because when I heard about that this variety is called saffron variety, kesar variety, so I got excited, too much excited to see how it looks. And of course, you can see there are other varieties we saw, which are fully yellowish, and this was because I removed the bag, so it is turning yellowish, slowly. Yeah. So
And all the trees are numbered.
yeah, all the trees are numbered here. Yeah.
ये यहाँ पे लगाया
And it's a vast farm. It's a very vast farm, and yeah.
And here you see the manager of the farm.
Sir, what is your name?
रवि अक्कियानिया.
Yeah.
Ravi is the managing the
हरिओम गिर.
Hariom Giri Goshala.
Very amazing